G'day guys, Nathan here from AllBrand. Today I've just brought you here to talk about wind-up caravans. Now, there's a little tip that you can do which will ensure that you don't have as many problems down the track. And what it is after you've wound your van all the way down to the until the roof is sitting nice and flush, what you want to do is you actually want to wind that winder cable just a little bit, just put a little bit of tension on the cables. What that does is that keeps them nice and solidified while you're traveling in transit. If you don't and you leave it completely untensioned, those cables inside can be jumping around, flop around, cause lots of problems, even knots, and then the van will go up unevenly. I actually did a service the other day on a wind-up caravan and his whole entire pulley plate had flipped over and gotten a cable tangled, and the whole entire roof was lopsided. So guys, just before you go to drive in your wind-up caravan, just put a little bit of tension on those cables and you shouldn't have any dramas. Thank you.